And today we got this beautiful custom build 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor, finished in gloss black with a little over 2,000 miles. One owner. This is actually my personal Raptor that I purchased brand new and I custom built. I have not seen another one like it. I wanted to make sure it's a nice, low-key, clean build. Every plastic piece on this Bronco has been removed, smoothed, primed, sanded, painted, going from the fender flares to the flaps, to the bumpers, to the hardtop, all three pieces, the door handles, the grill pieces. As such in here, the hood scoop, the arms right here, the full grill, the headlights, the bumpers, down to the fog lights. I had them do them in the rigid color right here, the rigid fog lights, in this custom bronze that I kind of came up with this mix color, and I've been using it on all my custom builds. See, the face of the letters is done in the bronze, the rest of it in the gloss black. All these grill pieces, all these scoops, all these honeycombs have been smoothed completely, 100%. The bumper, the tow hooks, everything has been color matched in gloss black. Then the headlight lenses and markers have been tinted in the clear coat, so you can still see 100% and get the functionality of the lights, but they look like they're black, just completely murdered out. And then I added 38-inch Nittos ridge grabblers in a 6-ply. So this is the perfect size, 38, 12, 50, 17s, where you're not having to go up to the 10-ply and make it get the stiff ride. You get the perfect, comfortable ride. Don't lose none of that. And 17-inch fuel wheels and color match in the same bronze color like I was saying. I don't remember if the flares were rhino lined, if the running boards were rhino lined, or I had that done. But the door handles, the mirrors, plastic in the middle here, even that is painted to match, same as the top. The tail lights, all the plastic around the tail lights have been removed, smoothed, painted, etc. Got the Bronco horse right here in the color match in the bronze, same as the rear tow hooks. All the parking sensors have been painted as well. This might not sound like a lot, but this is a lot. And if you've ever tried to have that done or get a quote from a body shop, you are talking a huge amount of money. Most shops don't have the knowledge or etc. of how to get the sensors painted. You'd paint the bumper and not paint this right here as an example, or the sensors and leave the sensors in raw. Same as the mud flaps or any of the stuff. Even the spare tire in the back, the third brake light, have been removed, smooth, painted, and that has been tinted on the light. This is a little over 2,000 miles. This is as loaded of a Bronco as you able to get from Ford. It's got every option clicked on it, whether the full leather suede seats, not the basic seats, whether it's a luxury package, whether it's a carbon fiber trim package. And I had the graphics package that I had removed. We got the carbon fiber interior, the Lux seats, which are way nicer with the leather and suede than the basic seats. Heated seats, nav, 360 cameras, adaptive cruise. Got the insulation on the top as well, so it's pretty quiet. And keeps the temperature, whether it's hot or cold outside. The moldings right here, I forgot to mention, have been painted as well instead of the raw rubber. So this way it's all just gloss black. All weather liners on the inside. I'm trying to remember what other options there is. I got the bags for the doors, for the top. Everything I got from the dealer comes with it. The badge right here is painted as well, and same as the handle. There's all the stuff they give you still in the wrapper. Still got the trip permit. Never been smoked in. Never been off-road. I got the whole truck ceramic coated in Ceramic Pro 9H. and double coated, to honestly say that, because it's my personal car and I had them do the extra touch on it. All the windows are ceramic tint, as well as the windshield at 50% with the special ceramic 50% windshield, so it doesn't bug you at night to drive it at all, but it gives you the privacy from outside. Bronco's like brand new, in and out. Like I said, still have the wrapper on the screen. I don't know why I left it, but I left it. It made me feel like the car is brand new. I don't need to tell you what all the Bronco Raptor is all about. If you're looking at one, you already know. If not, Darren probably explain it to you a lot better. But what I can tell you is basically buying a brand new car that's fully customized, drives better than new, because I like the offset of the wheels and the tires. I think this is how they should have came. And if you can see, it's just got that perfect poke of just about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter outside. And I hate the look of the stock offset on the wheels and tires where they just sink in too much. But this is, to me, is the perfect look. And then with all the color match and the paint extends the size of it, it gives it a completely different look. If you have been looking or wanting a Bronco and you don't want to be like everybody else or some of the ugly overdone ones, this is the right one for you. Well over $20,000 in just the custom paint and color match and etc. The ceramic was over $2,500. The ceramic tint as well. And then you got the new 38s, the new wheels, and then I had the wheels refinished in the same color. So no expense spared. Still has all the badging on the inside. This thing is brand new, in and out. It's time for a new toy. I can finance this truck just as if it's new. I can ship it right from my showroom right to your front door, anywhere in the country, whether you're in Hawaii, whether you're in Alaska, New York, Arizona, California, anywhere. And it's just like buying a brand new car. Both keys, all books, all manuals, everything's still in the wrapper, fully custom, and I do have the factory beadlock wheels as well that can come with it with the sale. Anyways, visit my website, jordanmotorsports.com. There's over 75 detailed photos of this Bronco, and I just walked around it multiple times. There's not a rock chip, there's not a scratch, there's not a flaw in this thing. It is ready. Give me a call, happy to help.